Hi students, I welcome you all to this very important and an interesting video, how to crack JEE main exams in few months. As you all know that there is a rumor or talk is going on that most probably the JEE mains entrance exam will start from the month of March actually. So you people might have already started preparing for the board exams and also for the JEE mains exam. Why cracking JEE mains is very important? Because to get into IIT or into NIT, it plays a very important role. So in this video, I am going to touch only on very few important things. The first one is about the marking scheme, and the second one I am going to touch about the subject and also the branches wise weightage, and third one is what is a free tool which is available to remember what you have learned. Because in today's scenario, more than hard work or equal to hard work, we need a smart work, and also you should remember what all the things you have learned. Okay, let's jump into the video. Yeah, as I told you that you might have already heard or seen in the newspapers that most probably we may have the exam from the mid of March. So the first one will be March and the second one will be April, May and June actually. Okay, whereas for JEE Main 2022 paper 2, you all know that it will be conducted twice a year. So it will be mostly in the month of March and other one will be May or June. I'm sure most of the students knows about this, but I thought I will quickly touch on that. So for paper 1 for BE and BTech, so it will be, we will have 4 sessions, March, April, May, June, like that. And it will be having 2 sessions, section A and section B. Section A is completely MCQ, multiple choice questions, whereas section B will contain a question whose answers are to be filled in a numerical value. But the advantage with section B is there is no negative marking, and candidate have to attend just only 5 questions out of 10 questions. So we will have a choice in section B. So in section A we will have 20 questions, and I have already told you the section B we have 10 questions. So this pattern is same for everything, maths, physics, chemistry, and totally in section A we will have 60 questions, and section B we have 30 questions, and the total marks is for 300 for each subject, 100 marks. Students, I want to draw your attention here. For section A, multiple choice questions, for every correct answer 4 marks will be given, whereas for every wrong answer there will be a -1 mark will be there. Okay, so there is a negative marking is there for section A MCQ. If you have unanswered the question, then there is no marks or there is no negative marks also. Okay, for section B, so marking scheme for numerical value questions. For correct answer it is 4 marks, but for incorrect there is no negative marking. That's a good thing with section B. Okay, so section A MCQ we have a negative marking -1, whereas for section B we don't have any negative marking. Dear students, I want to draw your attention here very clearly. Why means in this slide I am going to discuss about the subject and branch wise weightage, tentatively based on previous year algorithm. I am not saying this is what it is going to come, but it is like a blueprint, like the plan. So this will help you, guide you to prepare on that particular subject more well, I will say. In which branch the weightage is more, you should try to focus more on the topic. You should write lot of mock test. You should do the lot of revisions. The preparation for the JEE main exams becomes better with the knowledge of the detailed JEE main syllabus with weightage of the topics. The chapter wise weightage of the topic for the upcoming JEE mains sessions is also one of the most searched queries asked by the candidates. If you ask so many candidates, everybody will ask us same question: kindly tell us which topic I have to focus more, which topic I have to focus less. So I am hope that next upcoming slides are very important. The JEE Main 2022 syllabus comprise mostly of the topic from NCERT class 11 and class 12 physics, chemistry and mathematics subjects only. Focus more on the highlighted topics. JEE main exam analysis of the previous years, and it is also important component of the JEE main preparation tips. This Excel sheet will give you an understanding of the questions on the topic which carry more weightage. To know more about the questions that are asked for each topic and subject. For example, modern physics, the number of questions may come 5. Okay, so it will carry around 20 marks. If you take current electricity, it will be, we have been judging or we have been thinking based on the previous year algorithms that it may be having 3 questions from that particular topic of current electricity. Or I will be saying the law of motions will be having only 1 question. So you have to give more focus on the topic which is having more marks. For chemistry, the major focus should be starting with physical chemistry, then followed by organic as well as inorganic chemistry. The main topic which you have to focus is transition element and coordination chemistry and the periodic table and representative elements. These are the 2 things which we have been expecting based on the algorithms. It will have at least 3 questions. Okay, so you take your time, analyze yourself and give more emphasis on the highlighted topics. For the benefit of the students, I have highlighted this topic. Please remember, what you have to do is you have to do more of revisions and you have to take more of mock test in this particular topics to score well. So as of maths is concerned, more emphasis should be given on algebra as well as calculus, and it should be followed by that coordinate geometry as well as by the mathematical reasoning and statistics. Okay, I hope it is clear. So topic wise, you have to focus more on calculus, coordinate geometry, as well as you have to focus more on limits, continuity, etc. So, and also the highlighted ones, other highlighted ones like vector algebra, 3-dimensional geometry, statistics and probability. Focus more on this topics. As I am been saying again and again in this video, try to go for more revisions, and as of maths is concerned, mock test plays a very important role. So to be successful in JEE, not only hard work is important, smart work is also important, how you are planning yourself. So in today's technology, we have 2 apps which are there to help you and which are both are free to use. I have done the detailed review about both this app in a separate video. I will leave the link up for that video in the description, but don't miss it. Kindly try to use both these apps. Both this app will be very helpful to you. As I'm talking in the video, you might have seen I'm saying again and again 2 things. One, revision, and the other one is I'm talking about mock test. And in this slide, if you see where to go and download free previous year question papers or sample papers, I will say go to the website jeemain.nta.nic.in. Once you go there, in the front page itself you will see that download the result papers. Click on that, download the previous year papers. This will help you to understand whether the weightage or the which topic you have to give more emphasis. Okay, this is free to download. So in my next video, I am going to talk about the how to take mock test for free. That's what my aim. So you can take the mock test for free, no need to pay for anything. So, and also in the same website you can able to download the sample papers, because practicing with the sample papers and taking mock test on a regular basis will give more confidence. Hope you like this video and please share with your friends.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.